beside him. He's like spirits. That's it. There's nothing more. There is nothing more. IG will back out and give him some space to breathe for the moment. Now reinsert when Chrono was back off cooldown in 18 seconds.
I think IG will be taking a lot of pride in the fact that they could perhaps end the game against EG with 2 kills on EG's side. I think that's actually going to be the goal for them right now. They know how far ahead they are. They want a perfect game to make the ultimate statement of ending this tournament with style. This is absolutely unbelievable.
It's such a big thing as well, like going into TI4 in only a week's time from now. Invictus Gaming, some people might have really been thinking, hey, maybe these guys aren't the best. Ruby and DK is what everyone was talking about and watching. Due to the, like, out of China, I think these guys are the biggest time, but Invictus Gaming have come here, they've battled up against some of the top teams, in fact, all of the top teams coming out from Europe as well as America, and right now, they are just, they're really just playing a beautiful game of Dota.
They've destroyed 2 Chinese tournaments going into this one, and now they are here at ESL 1.
I'm sure about that.
It is a must play.
I am not sure about this.
It's necessary.
This is just like balls deep. Can they actually get a Ferrari? Goes in.
The winners of the ESL 1 Frankfurt 2014 IG! We're gonna let you celebrate in just a second. Before that, I just want to quickly know, how was it to play in front of this incredible audience in this wonderful stadium? What went through your head during those games? And just anything you want to say to the fans watching and anyone who has been at this event?
川来到这一次的 ESL 1比赛，你们整个队伍的感受怎么样？因为让你们看到了整个在一个足球场上的比赛，那你们整个队伍有什么感受来参加这个 ESL 1？
就是很开心可以来到世界杯足球场打 Dota 吧，然后也没有想到会有今天这一天，也很开心可以夺冠，然后也很感谢这里的粉丝很热情，谢谢你们，然后也谢谢支持 IG 的人，谢谢。
Hey, this is the first time IG has been inside the World Cup Stadium, and they have been very, very happy for the fan support who have came down to this tournament, and they are very pleased with the turnout as well. So they are very, very happy with participating in this ESL 1 tournament today.
That's so nice to hear! Thank you so much and congratulations to IG! And one last time, I'm gonna head over to our analyst desk.
champions, the ESL one. And they are absolutely I can only say, guys, that there isn't such a thing as the perfect game, but I think we might just have seen the closest thing to it yet.
You know, I'm gonna read this piece. A perfect game is defined by the Major League of Baseball as a game in which a pitcher pitches a victory that lasts a minimum of 9 innings and in which no opposing player reaches base. In Dota 2, there's a much easier definition, and you just saw it.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. We're going to break down a few things in the game as well, and just pick apart the bones of the defeat that we just seen from EG as well. In some ways, I guess, Mel, it takes the pressure off him, Geniuses, going into the international. There's a small sliver of hope that we can give them after that crushing defeat.
They're not the ones that will be looked at the most, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see the strategy coming out from IG in the last game. Ben, Seven I were sitting really comfortably down, smiling at each other and being like, this is gonna be good. And it was gonna be good. Amazing performance by ID. Like, what teamwork and what strategy. You saw the middle lane get completely dominated by the Invoker combo on top of the Shadow Demon and Kunga. There was nothing they could do.
I mean, crazily, in a way, we said game one, EG played really well. Said IG if they played it slightly differently, but EG with the team in game one, we gave them that. In game two, it seems like IG found another gear. And if they found another gear in game two, what the hell gear were they in game three?
It was just impressive. That was just another level from IG. You know, they were already looking like one of the strongest teams in the tournament, and they made it, you know, even next level. It was just the perfect game.